Talk to digital artists today, and you'll hear a surprisingly unified stance. Most actively reject the idea of an AI generating their final artwork, but they are absolutely desperate for AI to handle the massive amount of garbage work burying them every single day. Imagine a professional video editor or graphic designer arriving at their desk on a Monday morning. They were hired for their unique taste, eye for detail, and personal creative vision. Yet the first 4 hours of their day involve exactly 0 creative choices. That time is consumed by raw data entry, sorting massive bins of unsorted footage, renaming hundreds of raw clips, syncing audio tracks from multiple cameras, and hunting down color mode errors. The software designed to liberate these professionals has, over decades, grown into a dense maze. To perform even basic setup tasks, a creator has to navigate endless drop-downs, nested menus, and highly specific tool palettes. All of those manual clicks exact a heavy toll. By the time the files are finally organized, their mental energy is depleted. The exhaustion sets in long before the actual art begins. The true bottleneck in the modern creative industry isn't a lack of powerful tools or human inspiration. It is the crushing weight of mechanical labor required simply to reach the starting line. Adobe is rolling out AI assistants across the entire Creative Cloud ecosystem to solve this exact problem. These assistants operate differently than standard image generators. They are not designed to invent a finished piece of art to replace the human worker. They act as agents to assist human execution. Technically, an agent takes a specific outcome described by a user and orchestrates a multi-step workflow across different applications to achieve it. This 3-tiered framework illustrates workplace AI. The bottom layer, Altitude 1, removes drudgery. Altitude 1 acts as a translator. The creator types a request, and the system converts that intent into precise mechanical gestures inside the software. The true breakthrough here is a system successfully translating human intent into thousands of simultaneous, invisible software clicks. We can watch this translation alter the 3 main stages of production: setup, execution, and ideation. In the Premiere Pro setup phase, an agent can take a pile of raw, unsorted files and instantly assemble a multi-camera timeline. It simultaneously uses computer vision to tag footage, synchronizes disparate audio, and snaps the sequence into place. In the execution phase, an Illustrator user can ask the agent to generate 50 uniquely versioned design files directly from the rows of a single spreadsheet. While building those files, the Illustrator agent handles preventative tasks. It runs a pre-flight check to flag color mode errors and locate missing fonts long before anything goes to print. For ideation, a user in Firefly can describe their desired aesthetic and brand name. The agent then generates a complete, persistent brand kit. Because Firefly operates as a unified workspace, that brand kit provides persistent context. As campaigns naturally evolve over time, the generated characters, locations, and styling remain perfectly consistent across every single iteration and format. By handling the orchestration of these complex, repetitive sequences, the daily workflow sheds manual chores and becomes a seamless, automated system. With the friction of batch processing, later management, and setup running invisibly in the background, the primary obstacles to creativity are removed. The creator is no longer operating as an exhausted pixel pusher. They are elevated to the director's chair, where their focus is dedicated to vision and taste. Look at this Adobe Creators Toolkit report. It shows that 75%. Yet, a second chart shows 85% of those same creators demand the final creative decisions remain entirely in their own hands. These numbers prove an industry mandate. Professionals want to separate mechanical drudgery from artistic design. The true value of Adobe's creative agents lies in automating the chores, so creators finally have the ultimate luxury: time to actually create.